Yeah. Oh, you're right. That's a 9. Yeah, you're right. That's a 9. I didn't know you knew 9. Yeah, that one's a 9. Hold on. It's got to go this way. It's got to go that way to make it a 9. Yeah, that's a 9. You're right. 9. That's right. 9. Hi, cutie. What other letters do you have? What else do you have? I guess that one's a number. That one's an I. It says I, I, I.
Oh.
No, it's not an O. It's an I. It says I, I, I. Yeah, it's an I. It says I, I, I. Let's see if we can find your O. Here's your O. There's your O.
Oh.
Yeah, O says ah.
Oh.
Yeah, O. It says ah.
Oh.
That one's an I. It says I, I, I.
Hey.
I, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh, did you drop your eye?
Yeah.
Okay, let me fix your eye. There you go. I says I, I, I.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, that's an 8.
Oh.
And this is an R. It says
Oh.
It says like rabbit. Or like red.
Oh.
That one's an O. It says ah.
Rat.
Mm-hmm.
Rat.
Yeah, it's an R like red.
Rat.
Yeah. That one's an I. It says I.
Oh.
Do you know that one? It says a B. It says B, B, B.
Rat.
Yeah, B. Do you know this one? What's that one?
Rat.
What's that one?
Rat.
It's an S. It says S. It says S. You got it, cutie boy. S. That S says